The Industry Collaboration Award recognises an exemplary skills development collaboration between an employer or industry body and an organisation delivering nationally recognised training. The winner of this award will represent Victoria at the Australian Training Awards.
My name is Jeremy Irvine. I'm the Executive Director of the Victorian TAFE Association. VTA has been a long-term sponsor of the Victorian Training Awards, and we're delighted to be part again this year.
I think the things that we were able to demonstrate in our application that assisted us stand out was the fact that we'd actually spent the time to understand exactly what was required to be delivered as part of this program. Dealing with industry, spending the time, listening to the providers and being able to articulate exactly what we were going to deliver was a key to the success of our application. The main part of our business that assists us deliver government initiatives and priorities is our Skills and Jobs Centre. Our Skills and Jobs Centre exists to facilitate relationships between students, industry and a whole range of government providers. Perhaps one of the best examples that we can quote at the moment has been Free TAFE. Free TAFE has been an enormously successful initiative of the Victorian Government, and Sunny TAFE has been front and centre delivering free TAFE courses to people in Mildura, Swan Hill and Horsham. We run a Reconnect program which assists people who have been out of work for some time. We run specific Indigenous programs, providing a culturally safe place for Indigenous students to experience Sunny TAFE for the first time. Through taking our learners through this program, we've been able to provide pathways beyond the Cert 4 through to a diploma, advanced diploma, and in some cases, some students have already commenced the bachelor course.
It's an honour to be nominated for this award, and it's a testament to not only the Swinburne staff that work directly on this project, but the ACOs that we worked with across the state and the RTOs and the various government departments to ensure that this project was the success it has been. The project was a collaboration between 21 Aboriginal controlled organisations, ACOs, and various RTOs across the state to roll out a training program that enabled the community to actually input into it. So the whole point of the program was to make the training relevant to the people that are being trained across the regional areas. The collaboration within this partnership was vitally important to ensure a culturally and socially safe environment was created for our students, and the materials were relevant and safe for the students to undertake. The training was designed by the ACOs for the relevant Aboriginal and Torres Strait Island participants, and that's probably where the difference lies within our submission.
Federation University's collaboration with IBM for the PTEC program is extremely special to us because it provides our students with an opportunity to learn new skills and gain employability skills that are relevant to jobs that they can apply for at IBM. The PTEC program is an international program that's been rolled out by IBM worldwide, and Ballarat was fortunate enough to be one of the first sites in Australia to host the PTEC model. PTEC at Federation University responds to the needs of our students and industry through the use of an industry partnership committee. It identifies what the future job needs are for IBM locally in Ballarat so that we can tailor our programs to meet the needs of our students. Through the IBM partnership and the committee, we provide industry mentoring to our students and many opportunities for students to visit the IBM site at Ballarat and immerse themselves in the jobs and the skills that they will be looking to take on into the future. PTEC at Federation University responds to the changing needs of both industry and government. This is more recently an example of our cybersecurity program where Federation University added Certificate 4 of Cybersecurity to our scope of registration. Through the addition of this program, we're working closely with IBM to identify how our PTEC students can pathway through the Certificate 4 in cybersecurity, gain industry jobs locally, and also meet the future needs of government in the training sector.
The winner of the 2020 Victorian Training Awards Industry Collaboration Award is Sunraysia Institute of TAFE and Chaffey Aged Care, Princess Court, Jacaranda Village and Murray House. Congratulations, and we wish you all the very best at the Australian Training Awards.
I think the key thing that stood our application apart from others would be our time we spent truly understanding what needed to be passed on, and those skills that were absolutely necessary to be transferred during the course of the program.